Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with something a little bit different. This is just a quick video that I took on my walk today at a place called Whitefish Island. I thought you'd get a kick out of seeing the friends that I have out in the bush. Alright, let's just jump right in. Hope you enjoy!
Hey, pretty bird. Oh, don't worry, I've got lots more. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. I love you guys. Hi, sweetheart. You want me to come closer to the tree? Here. How's that? Is that better? It's okay. You guys are so cute. I hear the squirrel wants some too. You hear the squirrel yelling at me? Where is it? Squirrel! Oh my god, you guys are fighting. One landed on my camera.
guys, so I had stopped recording when the squirrel climbed up the tree next to me to beg for food. So I obliged. This is a very sweet red squirrel. Here it looks like he's saying grace before meals. He's got little eyes closed. He's reaching down into my hands. The squirrels are so adorable. And here he is taking some seeds. And the whole time that I was taking these photos, there was a chickadee sitting on my camera, which was hysterical. After I fed the chickadees and the squirrel, I kept walking. There's still some beautiful leaves on the trees, but a lot of the leaves have already fallen. It was almost sunset, so I kept walking along the river. I saw a merganser duck, it was so cute, and I saw a mallard couple and lots of other mallards, and they all know me and they all followed me. I saw a beaver hiding in the reeds. He was really cute. Here's a closer version of the beaver. It's really hard to get a good picture of the beaver, and I got to watch sunset over the water. It was so pretty. And I watched the moon come up, which is a little quarter moon. And I just really enjoy the changing colors of the sky. And this is the boardwalk. And now I'm heading back to the car. There's the International Bridge. And it's getting quite dark. And I'm back at the car. There's my car. I hope you like this. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. And in your comments, let me know what you thought of my walk. It was so much fun. I wish you guys lived closer so you could come for a nice walk with me. It would be so cool. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe. Bye for now.